5 myths about learning to code. Debunked. There are more myths about learning to code than there are bugs in bad software. And these myths stop thousands of people from ever starting. Let us debunk the 5 biggest ones right now. Myth 1. You need to be good at maths to code. Most programming does not require advanced mathematics. You need logical thinking, not calculus. The vast majority of software developers use basic arithmetic in their day-to-day work. Myth 2. You need a computer science degree. The tech industry has shifted dramatically. Major organizations globally now hire based on skills and portfolio, not paper qualifications. Thousands of self-taught developers and bootcamp graduates work at world-class companies. Myth 3. You need to start young. People have successfully transitioned into software development in their 30s, 40s, and beyond. Age is not a barrier. Consistency and practice are what matter. Myth 4. You need to memorize everything. Professional developers search documentation and look up syntax every single day. Nobody memorizes everything. Knowing how to find answers is the actual skill. Myth 5. You need an expensive computer or setup. You can learn to code on a basic laptop. The tools that matter most are free. The only thing standing between you and coding is starting. Now you have no excuses.